As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, there is no definitive evidence of current or past life on Mars. However, the possibility of life on Mars has intrigued scientists for many years, and there have been several missions and discoveries that have provided valuable information. NASA's Mars rovers, such as the Curiosity rover and the Perseverance rover, have been exploring the Martian surface and collecting data to help scientists understand the planet's past habitability and potential for life. These rovers have found evidence of ancient rivers, lakes, and even a potentially habitable environment in Mars' past. Additionally, the search for life on Mars has also involved the study of Martian meteorites that have landed on Earth. Some of these meteorites contain organic molecules, but it is still unclear whether these molecules are of Martian origin or if they originated from contamination after landing on Earth. Furthermore, the presence of liquid water on Mars has been a significant area of interest. In 2015, NASA confirmed the existence of liquid water flowing intermittently on the Martian surface. This discovery has further fueled the hope of finding microbial life on the planet. In the future, Mars sample return missions are planned, which will aim to collect Martian rock and soil samples and bring them back to Earth for detailed analysis. These samples could potentially provide more insights into the possibility of past or present life on Mars. It's important to note that the field of astrobiology is rapidly evolving, and new discoveries are being made. So, while there is currently no confirmed evidence of life on Mars, future missions and research may shed more light on this intriguing question. The question of whether life is possible on Mars is a topic of ongoing scientific research and exploration. While no direct evidence of current life on Mars has been found to date, scientists have discovered indications that Mars may have had the conditions necessary for life in its past. Several missions, including the Mars rovers and orbiters, have provided substantial evidence that liquid water once existed on Mars. Water is a crucial ingredient for life as we know it, so the presence of past water on Mars suggests the possibility that microbial life may have existed there in the past. In addition, recent discoveries have revealed the presence of organic molecules on Mars, which are the building blocks of life as we know it. While these discoveries are exciting, they do not provide definitive evidence of past or present life on Mars. Further exploration is required to investigate this question more thoroughly. The Perseverance rover, launched by NASA in 2020, is equipped with advanced scientific instruments designed to search for signs of ancient microbial life on Mars. It will collect samples that will be returned to Earth by future missions for more detailed analysis. Overall, while we do not yet have conclusive evidence of life on Mars, the presence of water and organic molecules, combined with the potential for habitable environments in the past, make Mars a promising target for the search for extraterrestrial life. Future missions and scientific advancements will continue to shed light on this intriguing question.